Hello Aditi. Hello Samhita.
Hello, sir.
How was your school? Good or tiring?
It was tiring kind of today.
Yeah. What about you, Samhita?
What, sir? I went out for a second. What are you guys talking about?
No, I was asking how was your school? I mean, college.
Like her, sir, tiring.
Super. Yeah. It will be tiring only, but still, you should do hard work for the last few months. Okay, Samhita, you have to do like project, then as
Yes,
you're
sir.
in 12th standard, you have to finish your practical and record and what are other things?
So practicals and done, so only projects are left.
Projects. Then prepare for a board that is in January. You need to do hard work now. It's your time. Just 3 months. No, if you don't spend it properly, then whole like 2 years of your hard work will be vain. Okay, so don't miss chance for January. Okay. Yeah, I'm not demotivating you. Don't get demotivated. Okay, Samita. I'm just making you understand for 3 months. Yeah. Chalo, ठीक है. Let them join. We will start. I can't wait anymore. I want to finish this chapter. This is easy chapter. I don't want to spend more time here. Yeah, by the way, both of you like understood this chapter till now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because generally you two are only regular for the class. Remaining they are coming, they will come one day, they will come not come one day, like alternate days they are coming. So I'm not asking them much.
So can you share like yesterday's notes? Like I took screenshots and I accidentally deleted them.
Yeah, sure. Oh yeah, I remember now you asked for screenshot for sorry, notes for the previous chapter also. Sorry, I forgot.
Me too, sir. I joined late yesterday, so I need screenshots too.
Hey, I'll share in like our what is that? Why is it? Today I don't have any other class after this. I'll share it. चलो ठीक है. What question will do? Yeah, this one we can do. When a system is taken from state A to state B in a figure. Along a path ACB. Okay, ACB. Okay. A C B and 60 joules of heat flow system and okay. So A, B, C, D is given. So A to B, A to C, C to B, B to A.
So can you scroll up to the question?
Yeah. E. This question is not yet over. There are some parts in it. System along path ADB. If work is 10 joule. When a system is returned from B to A along curved path. The work done by system is minus 20 joules. See, in this one thing is simple, that is Q, U, and W. All these three have same unit. Work done, heat energy, a joule or internal energy. All three have same units. So it will be like easier to understand. If UA is 0 and UD is 22 joules, find absorbed process D and B.
Sir, VD is equal to 20 joules or 22 joules?
It's UDB 22. This is UA 0. Will you give a try?
Sir, could you show the entire question?
Yeah. Try to zoom out. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. चलो बताओ कैसे करेंगे क्या करेंगे Okay. What about first one? Any idea?
So then the question is the work done by the system or on the system?
We have different part of it. Heat flows into the system
Yeah, so
and
it's positive.
30 joule of work done.
So, yeah, so the work done is like by the system or on the system, because if it's done on the system, it's positive, and if it's done by the system, it's negative.
Obviously, you see here 30 joules of work are done. So on the system, it is done here.
So you should take it as positive.
Yeah. What's the first answer?
I'm doing it.
Okay. So how to get this done? Anyone? Samhita,
So
did you
the
finish?
first answer is 80 joules.
80.
Yeah, because first I found delta U, then using the formula delta U is equal to Q plus W, we can find the X value.
But see, A to D and D to B, it's already given. Okay, let me do here. A to, not this space is not enough.
So work
First,
done is given, right? We need to find heat. So 90 joules, which is like delta U, is equal to X plus 10. When we take 10 to that side, we'll get 80, like so.
okay. But this 10 joules, did you consider?
Yeah, so like for delta U, since both of them are
So
positive, 60 and 30, we'll get it
du,
as 90 joules. And delta U is equal to Q plus W. When we substitute the value of W and take it to the other side, like to left hand side, it becomes negative. We get 80 joules. So X or heat is equal to 80 joules.
okay, then let me solve in like shorter way so that like means in detailed manner so that you can understand. I was about to solve directly, but I think you're a little confused, small confusion. You need to find du here, right? So dq minus dw we need. So dq is here 60 minus 30. That is 30 joules. So now ub minus ua. That is also 30 joules. So in that first case, this is all about A to C and B. Now, along A, D, and B. So dq equals to du plus dw. So in this one, it's given 10 joules, and this one we found here 30 joules. So 30 plus 10 will give you 40 joules. Now, second one. Along this is your curved path, na? So curved path is going from B to A. Okay, anything is given? Yes. Minus 20 is given. So work done by the system now here. curved path BA. So dq will be UA minus UB plus W. So UA minus UE is minus 30 now. Because this is UB minus UA. So UA minus UE minus 30, then plus minus 20, which will give you plus, yeah, 50 joules. So this one, see, 50, oh, why is coming positive? It is moving out of system, so it should be negative, no? Yeah, oh, sorry. Yeah, I didn't see this minus, and yeah. So it should be out of the system. So let's write here so that you will remember. Heat flows out of system. So Q, they're asking, right, for AD and DB. So 22 we have, and that is your 10. Totally 32. And D for 22 and 30 will be 8. So QAD is 32 joules and QDB is 8 joules. Subtracting for 30. Because 22 is given. It is coming there. See, remember that way. It is coming there. So this will be your work done. For this one, we will use as 10 AD. And next one is your, yeah, question is here only, yeah. DB. So it is going up. So volume is constant, pressure is changing. That we will use here this one, 30. So 30 minus 22 given. So it will be 8. Because heat absorbed in this process. So we are subtracting here.
So how are we subtracting? Like we have added heat, right? So it should.
Because it's here negative sign, right? So because heat is absorbed here, UD and UA. So my negative value will get UD minus UA. Because here we are finding for this portion. It is changing from, see, it is going from A to D, D to B. Then B is reducing to A. Here A to C, C to B. And B is again reducing to A. So means our reaching point is B here, both case. A, B, A, C, B or A, D, B. In both case, our reaching point is B only. And B is reducing or falling to A here. So in short way, like if wherever we have to find here B part, there will be subtract. Because it's moving down, it's reducing. See, volume is reducing with pressure change.
Got it, sir.
So mark this line or highlight this line. Because most of the student will get confused here only. Let's see some more graph so that In this one, most confusing part is graph, nothing else.
So once can you scroll down to the answer, I'll just copy it.
What about this? You understood?
So could you explain the third bit?
Third one, yeah. See, here we have 22 joules D. Okay. So in this case, it is moving from A to D. So we are adding their work. He has to do work because the volume is changed at a point P constant, P dV. So there we are adding the work done here. So 22 plus 10, it will give you 32. Then D to B, volume constant, pressure change. So there we are subtracting with this energy or work done. 30. Energy, sorry, here. Where is it? Work done. I was about to say this one, but yeah, same thing.
I don't understand what we have to do from D to B.
Say D to B, like, see, remember this way, like, as I said, remember this way, wherever, like, this cycle is about A to C and C to B, and A to D and D to B. This cycle is about this two. Now from B to A, it is reducing. Both are reducing. So wherever we have reducing cycle, then we will do subtraction here. That way you can remember. It's not the reason, but it's this way you can remember. So whenever you get question, you get confused. Remember that, yes. Whenever it's a reducing cycle, we will subtract. So reason behind this one, that is like, see, D to B, volume is constant here. You have to find dB. Heat absorbed by the system or in the process, that dB volume is constant here. Now B is reducing to A. This makes complete cycle. This is okay. D to B is going okay, but this makes dB to A, then A to D. This makes complete cycle. So we are just talking about full complete cycle. So their work done is subtracted by, what was the value here? 22 joules. Change of internal energy. In this case, 22 minus 0, sorry, 0 minus 22 here, and 30. In this one, we added 10 plus 30 because it's going A to D and D to A. So this it's given. I have highlighted here. So this system of a heat flows into system and 30 work is done. So remaining is 30. Heat absorbed by the system in the process is 30 joules. So in this process, 30 joule is absorbed in form of work done, and remaining is 30 joules in form of internal energy. Because that's what it's a statement here. And 30 joules of work are done. See the statement here. So remaining is 30. So from that 30 only, we are finding all the remaining part. Because they ask absorbed. Read the statement here also. Okay? Are you able to understand now?
Yes, sir.
Samita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, here we have new student, Ishanika. Are you from 11th grade or 12th grade? Ishanika, can you hear us? No? Okay. This question below this A, B, C, 4 processes are given. Okay, let's do this. This is also some IIEEE question. It's old question. Temperature T naught expanded isothermally to twice its volume. Okay, this is nice question. And then compressed at pressure to V naught by 2 gases this is volume and pressure, then correct station of is four option we have. Four graphs are given here. Mhm. Now we can complete drawing. Okay, wait. Everywhere there is no PV. It's PT. This is P. This is V. P naught. V naught by 2. V naught. 2 V naught. This is V. This is P. P naught. V naught by 2. V naught. 2 V naught. This is V and T. T naught. V naught. V naught by 2. This is P naught by 2. P naught. This is P. This is T. T naught by 4. T naught. Okay. Fine. We need to find valid thing. Oh, P proportional to V. Array. Why we are drawing this much? It's very easy. Come on.
Sir, is the answer C?
See, why so?
Sir, actually, in the first process, since T is constant, we can say that PV is also constant. And when we substitute the values, we get it as P is equal P by PO by 2 is equal, P2 is equal to PO by 2. And in the second process where P is constant, we can say that V is directly proportional to T. So when, we take V1 by V2, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2, and we substitute the values, we get T2 is equal to T0 by 4. And then since P is directly proportional to V, we can say that P square is directly proportional to T, because V is equal to T by P. Yeah.
Then we can change it to nRT by P. V equals to
Yes,
nRT by
sir.
P. Yes. Very good. So we can conclude from this graph, that is A and B. Here, see, observe this graph. This is isothermal. This is also isothermal. It is expanding. Expansion. In both cases, A and B. No. In this one, if we say this, some place is expansion. A, B, these two are almost similar. And if we observe here, these two, it is temperature here constant, and this is increasing, and this is pressure constant. One is pressure constant, one is temperature constant, and one is expansion. So P equals to, no, not equals to, it is proportional, right? Yeah. P is proportional to V, so V is nRT by P. So yes, P square proportional to nRT. So P is proportional to T. So only this case we can say that. Because this is volume and time, temperature. Okay? And doubt in this one? I'll post now question the homework. You try this out. Just now itself, because I'll forget. Where's the gray? These are easy question, but still I want you to try. I posted. Okay, one group only. Wait, I'll share another group also. Where is our... Yeah. These are easy questions. You try it out.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in today's class? Anything?
No, sir, could you send the notes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the
I'll-
graphs, like all the graphs.
Yeah, sure. I'll convert this now only. Otherwise, I'll forget again. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.
So can you send the key paper for like the homework questions?
Answer key also.
Yeah, like for like the key paper for the MCQs.
Okay, that I will do tomorrow. There are other questions also with that. So with that, there is answer key. Only answers are there. Okay, not solution.
Yeah, sir.
We don't have solution here. Okay, I'll send it that tomorrow. The homework I'll give. With that, I'll give
Okay, sir.
answer. Bye bye.